Hi guys, this is Vaishali from Blended Views. Today I'm gonna teach you how to color grade your image in Photoshop just by using one technique. It's very simple and one of my favorite techniques, so let's get right into it. So first we're gonna import an image and then double click on the background image and convert it into a layer image. Then get a new layer, go to brush, select a new color, not from the clouds but from the sky. H is for hue and B is for brightness. Get down the brightness a bit, and S is for saturation. Increase the saturation a bit. I think this looks good. Hit OK. Then go to brush. Make sure the opacity is 100%. Then just paint it all over the sky on the top layer, like so. And then we're gonna paint another layer. So similarly, go to hues, change the hues a little bit, make sure it's a little lighter color than you selected the first one. Go to brightness and saturation and just paint it beneath that layer. Paint a little randomly. Similarly, select another light color and just paint it on the remaining sky. It doesn't matter if you overlap the grass, it's totally fine. Now I don't like the pattern which I have created, so I'm gonna just patch paint a bit so that it's random, like so. I've turned the opacity to 30%. Yeah, this looks good. I know the entire thing is a bit funny, but just hold on. Now we're gonna double click on the layer, go to layer styles. Then we're gonna work on blend ifs. Make sure it's on gray. We're gonna work on underlying layer. Get the highlights a bit further. Alt and click so that now we have a mid-tone key. You just have to work with it. Make sure the cloud doesn't get burnt out. So you just have to play around a bit, like so. Yeah, I think this looks quite okay. Yeah. Now go to blending mode and select soft light. I think we'll go with overlay. Yeah, this looks good. Now we'll get opacity down a bit, somewhere around 68 or something. Yeah. Now we're gonna get another layer for the grass. Similarly, go to brush. We just want to zoom in a bit and select a color from the grass. This is a bit darker. We're going to select a lighter color. Yeah, this is fine. Now go to brightness, get the brightness down, saturation up. Now just paint it from below. Oops, I forgot to make the opacity 100%. Make sure it is. Make random brush strokes. Now for the second layer, the whole point is you have to select brighter colors as you go further. So now a lighter green, and similarly just paint it. Now for the third layer, select a lighter green color. Yeah. So now double click, go to layer styles, get the highlights down. Alt and click on it to get the midtone separate. You have to play around with it a little bit. Midtones and highlights. Not the shadows. Don't need to touch that. Yeah. Hit OK. Go to blending mode. Select soft light. You can see the difference. Now get the opacity down and we'll gradually increase it. Yeah, this looks okay. Now you can clearly see the before and after.
So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. See you next time.